Hey guys, this is Animesh and today we'll be unboxing, reviewing and setting up my newly brought car mount. So these are basically used for mounting your cell phone, mobile phone to your car or any vehicle. So let's quickly open the box and I can see the packaging is very average or below average and nothing else is given other than the one mount. This mount is divided in two parts, that is the top part and the bottom part. So the top part is provided with adjustments, as you can see. So this is basically the bottom adjustment on which your cell phone will rest, and this is the section or the vacuum cup by which you'll be able to stick your car mount to your vehicle's dashboard or windshield. So this is the adjustment and this is the button which triggers back the adjustment to its initial position. This is almost suitable for every of your mobile phone with different sizes. At the back you can see the screw. So let's unscrew it and see what we'll be able to do with this. So basically this ball head, yes, the ball head is provided. So this is very good thing. So basically it is attached now and I have tightened it with the screw, and there is also another adjustment given by which you can set this car mount in different angles preferable to you while you are driving. This car mount also extends in terms of height, so now you can see the car pod is ready, and now I'll be showing you with the help of a cell phone how you can set it up on the car pod. So this button which you are seeing acts as a trigger to detach the attachments according to your cell phone's width, and pressing your phone will trigger the button to detach the attachments. And now, so this is how it is working. As soon as your phone is resting on the car pod, you press it and this fits according to your phone. And you can also see this is how it is working. Your phone can freely move. And now we'll go and I'll show you how to set this up. Okay, so now I'll be showing you how to install this car phone stand in your vehicle. So I am really sorry for the poor visibility, and I'm just trying to figure out where to keep the my tripod from which I'm filming. So I'll be back in a while. Okay, welcome back. So somehow I have fixed the tripod from which I am filming. So now I'll be showing you and I'll be giving you the first look of how you can install this easily, the tripod in your vehicle, in whichever car or vehicle you are traveling or you want to keep this. So first of all, there is a plastic film which you have to remove, and yeah, quite simple as that. When you remove this, now you can, if you're able to see, I don't know, you'll be able to see that there is a kind of clip here which you'll be able to see when I unscrew this. So I have unscrewed this, and this clip acts as a trigger to the suction cup which detaches or attaches the suction cup or the vacuum with your dashboard of the vehicle. So, and I also forget to tell you that this is a 270-degree rotation. As you can see from the bottom to here, it is not completely 360, but though the ball head is 360-degree, and you can just rotate your phone in 360-degree. This movement is 270-degree, so you can just move this particular part of the stand or the pod 270 degrees. So yeah, without wasting any much of your time, I'll just show you. I'll quickly zoom in and I'll show you how you can just keep this one. And here we go. And first of all, do confirm your position, because that's important. On the first trial you have to just put this in the right position, otherwise it will get spoiled. But yes, I'll keep this in slightly angular position so that I'll be able to see the phone while driving. So yes, my perfect place. And one more thing, you need to just clean this with a cloth or something so that the suction cup is attached very cleanly and simply. So yes, now I'll just do the same. Now it is here, and Yeah, it is locked. It is actually locked. You can see I can't move this part, and this is locked. Yeah, for sure. And I must say the lock mechanism is very powerful. The vacuum is quite good, and it is attached here. And unfortunately, I have forgot an extra phone so that I can show you how the phone will look. So I'll just quickly bring another phone for your convenience to show you how you can just operate this. And one more thing, you can just move your phone in multiple directions, as you can see from here, from almost here and up to there, but there is no point to keep your phone that way. And one more thing, you can just move this another knob. If you can see, the visibility is very poor. Again, I am very sorry for that. So yes, now you can see this another knob, and this simply comes again further forward. So yes, again a wide range of movement is seen in this tripod. So yes, and for me, if I want to see my phone, so I can just extend this as far as possible. So for me, this is the farthest position I can just set this stand in. So yes, you can understand my pain. I am doing all this with one hand, and while my other hand is filming. So yes, now it is fully extended, and yes, you are ready to go. So this is how you can extend the mobile stand according to your mobile's or your phone's width, length and height. So yes, let me fix this with an angle which is suitable for me for now, so you'll be able to see. And sorry for the glare again which is coming on the screen of another phone, because yes, I am filming in a very unsuitable conditions, so I hope you can understand that. So now, as soon as you have fixed your bottom part with the phone, you just have to press your phone, which triggers the button behind your phone like this. Now you can just use your phone, you can just operate your phone, not while driving, of course, not recommended to you. Just do that on your own risk. And yes, you can just check who is calling you. You can just see the GPS. That is the main function of that. You can just use your GPS on the mobile phone. So yes, it is quite functional. And now comes the main part, that is the review. But this is quite handy, quite trustful, and you won't be disappointed. As far as now, this is the best in the market. So I got this for 340 rupees. The Best Buy link will be available for you in the description box below. And yes, you can just go for this. This was a quick unboxing and my views and the quick setup guide for your mobile stand in your vehicle. So if you like the video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe and make sure that you ring that notification bell icon so you cannot miss awesome content from my side. So yes, this was the video. This is Animesh signing off. Have a great day ahead.